Good, good morning, all of you. Today we teach about table tag. Table tag. The TR tag is used to display a row in a table. Everything appears within a TR tag should appear on the same line. It can carry three attributes. They are align attribute content of the row is aligned as specified. BG color background color for selected row. V align specifies the vertical alignment of the contents of each cell in a row. The align attribute The align attribute indicates position of the content of all of the cells in the row. The align attributes takes value such as left, right, center, justify, and char. Use these attributes in any valid HTML code displaying table. BG color BG color, it means background color. Attributes. Earlier we have seen the BG color attribute to paint background of the table by giving color code in hexadecimal or name of color. The BG color attributes sets the background color for the row. The BG color attributes is commonly used on the TR element to paint alternate rows of a table with different colors. If only a row of a table is required to be painted with a specified color, the answer is again the BG color attribute with either color name or color code in hexadecimal. VLN attribute. The VLN attribute specifies the vertical alignment of the contents of each cell in a row. Cell representation using TH and TD. Each cell in a table is represented by either TR or TH tag. In a way, this facilitate breaking of a row into multiple columns. If a heading is to be specified, a TH tag is used. If table data is to be represented, TD tag is used. Value. Top. Align contents with the top of the cell. Middle. Align content in the center of a cell. Bottom. Align content with the bottom of the cells. Cell representation using TH and TD. Each cell in a table is represented by either a TD or TH tag. In a way, they facilitate breaking of a row into multiple columns. If a heading is to be specified, a TH tag is used. If table data is to be presented, TD tag is used. By default, content of a TH tag is usually display in bold font horizontally aligned in the center of the cell. The content of a TD element is displayed as left-aligned normal text. Both the TH and TD tags can hold the same set of attributes. Effect of this attribute is limited to a single cell which carries them. Any effect these attributes cases will override settings for the whole table of or any upper level containing elements such as row effect cases by the th and td attributes is final. In addition to the universal attributes and the basic event attributes, the th and td tags can also have the attributes aber provides an abbreviated version of content of the cell. Align content of the cell. BG color adds backgrounds to the cell. Char manage the cell content to be aligned around the first instance of the specified character. Call span indicate number of columns that the cell spans across. Header indicate corresponding header to the cell. Height specify height of the cell. Row span indicate number of the row that the cell span across. V-align specify vertical alignment of the cell. Width specify width of the cell. Adding caption to a table. To give name to the table, caption tag is used. This tag is required when you display a specific table along with the table name. Table name indicates what the table is for a result purpose, for timetable or for a diet chart. Most of browsers display the content of the caption above the table on a center fashion. Addition of the following line before first row of any valid HTML enclosed table generates table captions as this is our timetable. Frames, frames in HTML. Frames is an HTML document is used to contribute multiple web pages and display them as single web page. Frames divide a browser window into server part of or sub windows reach containing an independent web page. By dividing the browser window in many frames, you can handle different HTML codes individually and manage loading and reloading of them. A collection of frames in the browser window is known as frameset. Within the frameset, you may add no-frames elements, which provides an alternative message for user when the browser use does not support frames. It is to be noted that some browsers do not support the frameset. To create a frameset document, first we have to create a frameset element, which is created as container of different frames. The frameset defines the division of the browser window. within the frame set. Each frame is represented by a frame uh, tag pad.